Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star, the next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, first we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. The next one is triangle. Now we're using yellow color and coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we're using the color of red. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle and using red color. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using red color. Now we're coloring the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for eyes. Kids, now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And now we draw the alphabet of K. K for kite. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw the alphabet of Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun. The alphabet of T. The next one is U. And now we draw the alphabet of V. V for vanilla. Now we draw the alphabet of W. W for wolf. And now we draw X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, and the last one is star. First we draw the shape of hexagon. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the shape of hexagon. The next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we draw the shape of circle. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Kids, now we draw the shape of pentagon. And the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is star. Now we're using black color. So kids, now we're coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first we're coloring the shape of hexagon, and now we're using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle. Kids, now we are using the color of green and coloring the shape of circle. Now we're mixing and using green color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of circle. The next one is pentagon. Now we're using the color of blue. Kids, now we're using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Kids, now we're using the color of red. The shape of triangle. The next one is heart, the shape of heart. Now we're using the color of green. The last one is a star, the shape of star. Now we're using black color. Kids, now we're using and mixing the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.